January 30th, 2022. How's it going, guys? Got a little video for you. Had to get my car out, drive it around a couple times, keep the battery charged in. But man, look at that sun. Look how bright it is over there off to the left, setting in the west over there. I mean, it is bright. Going up here a little ways. I got a file here, it's corrupted, so just give me a second, guys. Never know what you're going to see. Hold on just a second, guys. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm back. Talked to my friend out there in Phoenix today. He said it was 71 degrees, guys. Pretty nice out there. Wasn't bad here if it had been warmer. At least it was nice and sun shining. That's one good thing. There's that house where they're always having those parties down there. They shoot big fireworks all the time down there too. Interesting. Didn't have as many cars down there today. Usually it's so packed full. I mean, but notice the driveway was open today on it. Notice let me go back here, guys. There's my old sister's house. I still can't get over that door, orange like that. Looks something like trailer trash or something. Oh my God, that's just not good, is it? Oh gee, I don't know, man. Anyway, just having a little bit of fun, guys. Eyes open, and have a good one.